Hey everyone, so we've got a pretty awesome new addition to our Wall Mural online design tool. You can now choose from millions of high-resolution stock images for free. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to design your own wall mural online using the stock image library. Now before you get too excited, you won't be able to start designing until you fill out the instant quote form. Make sure beforehand you've measured the dimensions of your wall in millimeters. We can supply your wall mural to cover any wall size. If it's over 1,320 millimeters, we'll supply it in multiple panels, so no need to worry. After this, just choose your quantity, size, and how you wish to have it supplied, then make sure you have selected Design My Own Online, and then how you wish to receive your order. Click Calculate Price, and once you're happy with the quote, click Start Designing. Woohoo! This will take you to the editor, and this is where all the magic happens. Now, as you can see, we've got a blank canvas ready for us to snazzy up. Now, let's add a stock image. You can do this by clicking the photo icon. Here you can drag and drop or upload any of your own photos from your computer. But for today, we're going to click high resolution stock images. And voila, here you have it, millions of images to choose from to make your wall mural fabulous. You can easily search anything by typing in the search bar. For today, I'm going to pick a nice ocean image. When you find one you like, just select it and click Insert. Now don't worry, the watermark is not going to print. It's just going to stay here until you check out. Now let's go ahead and resize it. You can do this by holding down one of the corners of the transform box, then just scale to the entire artboard. Well, how great is this going to look? Now you can add other elements onto your mural, such as shapes, logos, and text, but for today, I'm going to leave as is. When you're happy with the design, click the View, Proof, and Order button. Then you just need to approve your design, then either add to cart or check out. And that's it. So check out our stock images and get designing, everyone.